Unlock the key to your business success at Empower Your Business, the monthly financial literacy workshop by the California Black Chamber of Commerce, proudly sponsored by Wells Fargo Bank. Every third Tuesday of the month from 6 p.m. until 8, join us on a Zoom to bridge the gap between your business and financial success. We understand that many business owners face challenges due to a lack of insight into their own finances, but here's the game changer. These workshops offer more than just information. By attending, you gain the tools to elevate your awareness and direction for your business. Picture this, a roadmap tailored to your financial needs, empowering you to make informed decisions that propel your business forward. Dive into the core of financial statements, mastering budgeting and forecasting, effortlessly handling taxes, exploring funding options, understanding risk management, and engaging in Q&A sessions with financial experts. But it's not just about the information, it's about empowerment. These workshops are designed to break down complex financial concepts into actionable insights, providing you with the clarity you need. To register, head over to CALBCC.org now. Be part of an enriching experience that goes beyond the numbers, giving you the confidence and direction to lead your business to new heights. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, startup founders, this is your opportunity to transform your understanding of business finances and chart a course for success. Empower your business while understanding meets empowerment. Brought to you by the California Black Chamber of Commerce and sponsored by Wells Fargo Bank. Register now at CALBCC.org and embark on a journey of financial enlightenment for your business.